Looking for a fun and easy way to make money? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll show you how you can earn rewards simply by completing simple tasks, filling out surveys, playing games, and even watching videos. Say goodbye to boring jobs and hello to a world of fun and rewards. Imagine getting paid for doing things you already enjoy, such playing games, filling surveys, or simply enjoy watching videos in your free time. With proven methods and the right platforms, you'll discover how easy it is to earn money while having a blast. So why wait? Join the thousands of people who are already enjoying while making money. Get ready to have fun, earn rewards, and start living life on your own terms. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Watch the video now. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Want to earn money effortlessly? Just imagine making money simply by completing simple tasks, answering surveys, playing games, and watching videos. With Freeword.net, you can turn your spare time into money. Freeword is a free app that lets you make money while having fun. There are many ways to make money, such as paid surveys, playing games, watching videos, etc., and you can choose from a variety of rewards. It is a legit GPT website where you can complete easy surveys and offers to earn PayPal money, cryptocurrencies, and gift cards from places like Amazon, iTunes, Steam, and many others. Freeword works all over the world. Freeword is totally free, and most offers do not require purchases. To get started is very simple. Just sign up using your preferred way, Google, Facebook, and email login. Then, open Offers, Offer Walls, or Survey Walls pages to start earning coins. After earning at least 1,000 coins, you'll be able to redeem your coins for rewards. There are several ways you can earn coins on Freeword, such as offers. There are various offers. Some will ask you to register on other websites, download an app or a game, take a quiz, or watch a video. There are also other ways to earn more coins. Surveys. There are also many valuable surveys you can fill to earn thousands of coins. Referral program. If you invite new users to Freeword with your referral link, you'll earn a 10% lifetime commission on all referral earnings from surveys and offers. Promo codes. They give away free promo codes on various occasions on their social media channels and let you earn free coins. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn real cash for doing what you already love. Sign up today and start making money. In the end, if you enjoyed and learned from this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, I encourage you to share your ideas and views in the comments and share it with others. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on similar videos in the future.